All right, so here we want to solve this exponential equation. 9 to the 2x minus 1 power equals 27 to the x plus 4 power. Right, so we know that in order to solve these types of exponential equations, we have to use this property, right? If b to the m power is equal to b to the n power, right? So we have two sides, but the key is that both bases are the same, right? So we have both bases are the same and we have different exponents, right? Well, we can actually conclude then that m is equal to n, right? We can conclude that the exponents are equal. You notice we cannot do that here, right? These bases are not the same. This is a 9, this is a 27. Now we know that 27 is 3 times 9, right? But that's not going to help us here. Okay? What we have to do is we have to get these in terms of the same base. Okay? And we notice here that, right, 3 squared is equal to 9. Okay? But that 3 to the third power is equal to 27, right? So the base we want to use here is 3, right? It's a common mistake to think that the base we want to use is 9, right? Okay. But in this case, we want to use a base of 3. So how do we rewrite this? Well, 9 is 3 squared, right? We still have this 2x minus 1 power here. Okay. And we know that 27 is 3 cubed, right? So we can rewrite that with this x plus 4 here as well, right? But the key is using the power rule correctly, right? What do we do with this 2 and this 2x minus 1, right? We have to multiply those together. And of course, make sure you distribute properly, right? We get 3 to the 4x minus 2 power on the left. What are we going to get on the right side here? Right? When we distribute these properly, we get 3x plus 12 power. Okay? And then now you notice, well, I have the same base. So if my bases are the same, then what can we conclude? We can conclude that the exponents are the same here, right? Or 4x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 12, right? And we should be able to solve an equation of this type. Right here, we'll just subtract the 3x to both sides here. And then I'll add the 2 to both sides. I'll just do this all in one shot. And you notice what happens, right? 4x minus 3x is just 1x. And on the right side, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14, right? What does that mean? It means that 14 is a solution, right? So if you plug in a 14 here and plug in a 14 here, right, we should actually get the same answer here, right? Both sides should be equal. So 14 is our solution.